Hey everyone, this is Aaron Montgomery. Yes, I'm the same guy you've been seeing over on Two Regular Guys. But today I wanted to share with you my business training company called Our Success Group that I'm part of with Todd Downing. We actually have 3 levels that allow us to provide resources that empower over 1,000 businesses to achieve their idea of success. Let's check them out real quick. So the first program we have is called the Success Tracker. The Success Tracker is a resource that helps people set and achieve 12-month goals. People who invest the $25 into the Success Tracker program will get specific goal-setting processes, encouragement, and support, as well as some fun swag along the way. It's a great introduction to the OSG community. The second program we have is our Success Group membership program. The OSG membership is for businesses who are ready to work towards achieving their idea of success. The membership includes a minimum of 24 live training sessions annually on proven success strategies, and you also get access to all of the past recorded training as well. And we also have a private member support group that you can participate in. The third program is the Masters of Success program. The Masters of Success is the inner circle of OSG. Businesses who are serious about putting their success in their own hands are investing in this program to get all of the great training and support from the membership, but they're also utilizing the Mastermind resource. The Mastermind resource gets you 6 quarterly Zoom calls that are led by myself and the OSG team. Masters of Success members pull each other up to success and achieve a level of accountability in their businesses that they have never had. Check out all of these programs at oursuccessgroup.com.